Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to beauty and makeup. So if you want to get tips on skincare, beauty care, or if you want to watch lots of hauls, then you can subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Wednesday and Saturday at 4 p.m. Today's video I will be sharing Valentine Day makeup tutorial for beginners. It will be a very simple Valentine Day makeup tutorial. So if you are doing makeup for the first time or if you are a beginner in makeup, then also you can achieve this makeup look. So let's begin the tutorial without wasting any more time. I will begin by prepping my skin. Skin prepping is so important. If you want your makeup to look flawless, then you need to dedicate yourself to your proper skincare routine and pamper your skin like anything, so that your base and your makeup sit flawlessly and perfectly on your skin. So for my I have religiously done serum and everything on for my skin, but right now I'm doing for my moisturizer, I'm using Blue Nectar's cream on my face. It's a daytime makeup look, and for Valentine Day makeup look you need to make sure that your skin is looking radiant and glowy, because we want a glowy skin for Valentine's Day. And like applying primers are so important. Never skip on this step. So for my primer I'm using Lakme Absolute Primer. This is such a gorgeous primer. So I will use this primer religiously, like see this much I will be using, and will apply this all over my face. Next step is to apply concealer, and I want to hide this part. And what I am doing in today's video, I am not going for like same color concealer. I am going for the shade lighter because I want this part to be brightened up, and I am going for a very minimum makeup look like that you guys can carry during the daytime. So for that I am using my old favorite Maybelline Age Rewind. This is such a gorgeous heavy duty concealer. So I will apply it under my eyes. I will usually apply it where I want my face to look highlighted, like this area. My next step is to apply foundation. I want little bit coverage on my face because like this part looks very much highlighted and this looks like that. So I am going with MAC. I love this foundation because on my Valentine's Day I want a foundation which I know will work perfectly for my skin and it will not start cracking on me. So I am taking very little, as you guys can see. This got amazing coverage on it. So I will need only little bit. It is there on your sponge. Drag it down to your neck. Always use wet sponge, otherwise your makeup will look cracky and it will not look nice. So drag whatever product is there onto your face, onto your neck, so that it doesn't look different, because once you step out in the light, then it will start looking different, and it will look like you are wearing a mask on your face, not that mask. Next step is to set my face. Setting your face is so important, guys. So I'm using Maybelline Fit Me. So what I will tell you, for Valentine Day we want a very flushed and illuminating kind of look. So we'll not set the full face using the powder. We'll set the areas where we'll know that might go oily. So I will take little bit on the cap, like this much only. As you guys can see, it's very little, because whenever I'm doing makeup I prefer to take very little products. So this is what I will take and will do it under my eyes, because I don't want my under eye to crease. Take this and will other eye and my nose area. Whatever is there on the sponge, I'm not going back in the to the powder and taking more product. And whatever is there on my sponge, I'm dragging onto my face, mostly the part where I have applied concealer, to set my face. Like this only I will tap and drag onto my skin, so that my makeup is somewhat set Still it is giving me an illuminating look which I want for this Valentine Day. I want to look flush, rosy, glowing. Next, what I will do the bronzing and contouring. So I am using my oldie favorite Rimmel kit. Like I love this kit. Like it's so handy in one palette. I'm getting so many products, and because for Valentine Day I want to go for my go-to product, because I'm on a date, right? And I don't want my makeups to start cracking and visible lines, or my skin to break out. I want to look perfect on that day. Taking the powder, bronzing and contouring at the same time. What this bronzer will do, it will add warmth to your face, giving you a very sun-kissed like effect, which like I dig, because like once you are going out and there is a bronzed and like sun-kissed look to your face, it looks so pretty, so fabulous. Taking this blush, I absolutely love this blush. Like this gives a very rosy, like kind of flush kind of look to your cheeks. It's like it looks very natural, and still like you are applying blush, it looks very 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 healthy, very fine. Don't forget your nose, because it looks like a cohesive when your face looks like put together. It doesn't look different. And see still how my skin is glowing. This is the look we are going for. Not too much makeup, still very subtle, very glowy, very presentable. Like you have put effort. Similarly, you haven't put too much effort, like very subtle. I will be doing my eyebrows. I will not do like boxy bushy eyebrows, because like I'm keeping it very natural, so I don't want my eyebrows to look fake. So for my eyebrows I'm using Flower Beauty. Like this is such a gorgeous like stick, and like at one side it has pencil, at another side it has pulley. So I will comb my hair a little bit like this, so that it's brushed out. And guys, if you want to like see a tutorial on how to do your eyebrows, although I know I'm not a like expert at it, but still I have learned a few things that I might be able to help you. So let me know how I have fanned out my eyebrows, so that I just have to fill it in. I will slightly fill my eyebrows so that it doesn't look empty, and at the same time it looks like very natural. I've done my eyebrows, as you guys can see. I just filled it and I didn't do that much. I didn't like drew the line and like made bold eyebrows, because I like these kind of eyebrows. And for my girls who don't want to do that much for the eyes, they can just apply eyeliner, mascara, kajal, or whatever you want. Keep it very bare minimum, and like apply highlighter, lipstick, and then you are good to go. That you can do. But for the girls who want to do little bit extra, little bit like want to play with the eye makeup, I will do little bit of makeup that will not look too much, that you can wear for the night makeup look as well, like nighttime Valentine look as well, or you guys can carry it for the daytime as well. Like it will be that subtle yet that glamorous. My eye makeup, I'm using this palette. Like this is SFR color palette, Flower Show. Like I recently bought it, but look at the colors, guys. Like this looks gorgeous. I'm planning to do another video like reviewing this palette, but today I wanted to use it. Like I cannot stop myself. Like this palette is screaming and calling my name. So yeah, I will start with this palette. Like this looks so colorful. I always wanted to play with colors, but today I am going for a very nude kind of makeup look. But yeah, I will surely and definitely make one proper dedicated review, because like let me swatch little bit. The color pigment and everything is so nice. First color I am using is this one. It looks very white on the camera and I'm taking this kind of fluffy brush, but like it's little bit of shade lighter than my skin tone of the concealer tone that I use. The name of this color is Bothered. So I will apply this and set my eyelid, because if you want your like eye look to pop out, you make sure that the base is perfect, not creased, and like it is bright. I'm going with this color Angelic. Like this is little bit exactly my tone. I will apply it over here. I will get you guys closer so that you guys can see what is going on. I am taking this color. It is little bit dark but not that much. The color name of the color is Bon, and I am taking a very like tight kind of brush which will give me a very precise application. And I will thing I like about this eyeshadow is like you can build it up like first application, then you can put second and third, so that for the beginners it's a very amazing palette, because like it in the first go it will not take that much like product. But I started giving review. I will do another video for that one. Another brush, it is more precise, like flat kind of brush is there. So I will take the darkest brown shade which I have, which is this one, and I will take it. The name of this shade is Worldwide. So I will take tap of the excess and will apply it in my crease, like a line I want there, so that there is a depth in my crease, so that it looks little bit sunken over here. This is the look I'm going for. Guys, see how I created a depth over here, like a line is here, and this looks very nice. And what then I will do, I will take the brush for the first time, which I took a quite fluffy one, and will blend everything. The brush I took for the first time, and I will take this and will blend over here. There is no extra product on this brush, like whatever was there. I cannot help myself. I need to use one pressed glitter which is there, and it's this one. Like I cannot help it. It's the so gorgeous, guys. The shade is Raspberry. Like little bit what it will give me an oomph, like glitter, like shimmer on my eyelid, because what's a Valentine Day look without glitter, like, right? Like I will take just little bit, not that much, like a subtle hint of glitter is there, not too much, or like it's just peeking and hinting you like yes, I am there. I will take this thin brush and take the like most dark shade which I took, and will like smoke out the lower lash line. This is it for the eyes. I smoked out little bit under my eyes, and then what I will do, I will go with eyeliner. I hope like you like this very subtle hint of glam on my eyes, like it's there, still it looks very classy, very beautiful. So next I'm using my Faces Canada's eyeliner. I will draw a very thin line, not bold, because I don't want like this thing to go away. And then I will apply a very thin line, because like I just want to give little bit of shape to my eye. This is a beginner's makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day. I am not doing falsies because it's for beginners and everyone cannot do falsies. So I'm keeping it like this because this also looks so pretty. What I will do, I will like curl my eyelashes. If you are not going for falsies, then curl your eyelashes and then apply a very good mascara. My mascara, I am using Iconic Lakme mascara. I fell in love with this mascara, guys. Like I just cannot like put it down. This is such a gorgeous mascara, guys. We are done with the eye makeup look, and I'm quite happy how this makeup look turned out. Like, it's simple, subtle, yet so glamorous and elegant. Like, it screams beauty. And then my favorite step, highlighter, because on your date you want to glow, you want to blind the guy with your highlighter. And then I'm using my like angular brush and will take lots of like highlighter and apply it all over my face, because why not? Like, we live for highlighters and we want to blind the guy. And this makeup look is like perfect for the people like who are in their 30s or even 40s. You don't want to do that much for your makeup look, but still look, classy and like elegant. I don't know how many times I will use word classy in my video. Elegant, classy. See, then we'll apply a little bit on my nose because I want my nose to shine. Lips, I am going for L18 Color Pop. Like, this range of lipsticks are amazing. Like, they are not long lasting, but still, like, I don't mind reapplying my lipsticks. So the shade is like this bright red, because I thought like red should be there on your lips on Valentine's Day, right? And the name of this color is Prom Pink, although it looks more like of a red color. I will take this highlighter and will apply little bit on my. If you want to keep it matte like this, like little bit of glossy, then you can keep it like this, but I will take little bit of highlighter and so like it will give a little bit of golden hint to your lip. But if you want to keep it like simple, then also you can go with it. So this we are done with our like makeup look for Valentine's Day. I'm like loving it, how it's glowy, dewy, juicy, looks so healthy, flushed. I love it. Let me quickly show you my dress, what I am wearing for Valentine's Day, and then we'll like end the video. Guys, this is it. This is my final look. It's a dress. I got this from Westside. And simple bellies I'm carrying because I'm flat kind of girl. So this pair of bellies I got from Chandigarh. So like if I can find something similar to this, I will add in the description, and everything which is there will be there in the description box, makeup product, dress and everything. So don't forget to check out the description box. So this is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are looking for a Valentine's Day soft, subtle, glamorous look, then I was able to help you. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Take care.